How to make a guy fall in love with you. Finding true love is a real blessing in this world. Sometimes it seems easy, and other times it's hard. If you are worried about how to make a guy fall in love with you, then stay with us to clear all your queries. Today we will discuss some of the magical tips and tricks that will make any guy fall in love with you. We will tell you exactly what to do, so that he can't resist you. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. Keep your smile on, and make frequent eye contact with him. Everyone loves smiling faces. It shows the person's inner beauty and satisfaction. This world is cruel, and everyone needs those happy faces around them. So keeping a beautiful smile on your face, and making frequent eye contact can make two people fall in love with each other in no time. It touches the person's heart and you can win it in a minimal amount of time. Keeping satisfactory eye contact with the guy can ring the required bell and his heart will pump him towards you. These two simple tips can work wonder, and he will start craving for you in no time. Try to be courteous, happy, and genuine with him. When a guy falls for you, it doesn't mean you have achieved your goal. Keeping your partner engaged with you, and keeping him right up there is the next important thing. Manners, respect, politeness. These are the things men crave when it comes to love. Making him happy in every aspect of life and trying to be genuine with him is another great thing which means a lot. If you consider these tips and add them in yourself, there is no doubt you are making him fall for you every day. Back him in his efforts and interests. A girl can have thousands of reasons to make a guy fall in love with her. Believing in his abilities and backing him in every aspect of life will help you win his heart again and again. Love is far beyond the limits of physical aspects. When a girl backs him, believes in his efforts, and respects his interests, it builds a strong relationship between them. It helps him stay focused and increases his confidence. That will definitely strengthen the bond of love. Make him realize you take care of yourself for him, and compliment him. People are the treasures of our life. Understanding this thing can help a lot. When a person lives for his spouse, it's adorable. Girl taking care of herself for her guy is an amazing trick to make him love her. When you are up to the task as your health and beauty are concerned for your partner, it makes him fall for you. Complimenting him on a daily basis is another best thing through which you can see the love in his eyes. Wear according to his liking, and emphasize your similarities. Making a guy fall in love with you could be a tricky thing, and it's interesting as you spend your time thinking about him. How to impress him? What does he like? What can I do better to make it a good day for him? Wear soft and touchy clothes for him. Emphasize your similarities, that you are the same in your likings according to food, dressing, outing, and even habits. It makes a strong statement, because when the guy feels she is similar to me, it will make him fall in love with you, and he will be much more comfortable with you. Tell him he is your dream guy, and he is special. When a guy comes to know that he has got all those qualities his girl has dreamed of ever, and he is special in her point of view, then he stands tall and loves her more. When you let him know he is your protector, a real hero, and your everything is with him, his level of confidence improves, and he feels satisfactory. Showing that you have confidence in him, and you will stay forever with him, will make him kind, polite, and respectful. These little things make life easy and happy, which results in true love. Fulfill his needs and desires. Try to give your 100% every time you try to make a man fall in love with you, as he will realize you are the right girl he was looking for. Wants and needs are part of our life. When a guy gets everything from you, then he takes you along with him in the journey of life. It makes him stay satisfied all the time, that he has no reason to go away. Staying loyal and crystal clear in front of him will make him crazy and possessive about you. Loyalty is God-gifted. So one must try to stay loyal, and will definitely get the reward. If your man starts loving you, then you can feel the heights of beauty, satisfaction, and all those dreams. These simple tips can change your life, your perspectives, and you can feel your guy fall in love with you. Staying positive and applying these simple and easy ways in your lifestyle will bury your worries of not getting true love. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you.